Johan, how can a really thorough building inspection uncover those really nasty hidden costs that often surprise investors months after settlement, like a major rectification work, compliance upgrades, or unexpected maintenance bills?
Yeah, that's uncovering all these hidden costs and that. And I see it so many times. You go in there with inspection, and if you're thorough in the way you're looking at, take your time, inspect properly, because doing it that way, you will find those things and understanding the regulations. Electrical is, for instance, that's the big one. There's still old houses with the fuse boxes. They have to bring to the new standard. The waterproofing, the new standard. Even with the new standards there, you still pick up issues. The roofs that's there, the way that they actually support the roofs, the distances between the trusses, based on, is it a tile roof or is it a color bond roof? Those kind of things is very important, because over time, that is what's giving you problems.